Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore products that really make a difference. Today, we're talking about a staple in hair care, Dove Conditioner Intensive Repair for Damaged Hair. It's formulated to tackle the signs of damage and restore your hair's strength with every use. If you're someone who struggles with dry, brittle hair, this conditioner might just be the answer. Dove's Intensive Repair Conditioner is designed for damaged hair, particularly addressing issues like breakage. The formula features bioprotein care technology, which works to regenerate hair strength. What's even more impressive is that it claims to restore hair 10 times stronger, with visible improvements in hair health when used in combination with Dove's matching shampoo or hair mask. This conditioner is also infused with glutamic amino serum, which helps to combat 98% of visible damage caused by hair breakage. Now, that's a bold claim, but Dove backs it up with over a decade of research. With every wash, you're getting 1 trillion protein strength builders that gradually repair and reinforce hair. For someone who's dealt with the dreaded split ends and constant breakage, the thought of strengthening each strand sounds pretty promising. In terms of usage, it's simple. You apply it after shampooing, massage it into damp hair, and leave it on for just 1 minute before rinsing. If you're looking for extra hair repair, Dove recommends incorporating their hair mask into your routine once a week. So how did it hold up in real-life testing? I've been using this conditioner for a few weeks now, and I've noticed a definite improvement. My hair feels smoother after each wash, and it's a lot less prone to breakage. I was skeptical at first, but the smoothness is undeniable, and my hair feels more manageable. It has that signature Dove scent, which is fresh but not overpowering. On the downside, while it certainly helps with dryness and strengthens hair, I found that it might not be the best for those with superfine hair. For me, it felt like it weighed it down a bit, especially on the second day after washing. If you have finer strands, you might want to use a lighter conditioner in between washes to avoid product buildup. Now, is this conditioner worth the price? Considering the technology involved and how much Dove has invested in research, I'd say it offers solid value for the money. It's not the cheapest option out there, but the quality and results justify the price tag, especially when compared to other high-end repair conditioners. If you're looking for an alternative that's more affordable but still effective, I'd recommend checking out other drugstore brands like Pantene's Pro-V Repair and Protect line. While they may not have the same advanced tech as Dove, they're excellent at keeping hair strong and healthy on a budget. Overall, Dove Intensive Repair Conditioner delivers on its promises of repair and strength. It's an excellent choice for those struggling with hair damage, particularly if you've noticed significant breakage or split ends. If you have fine hair, though, you may want to adjust your routine or use it in moderation. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and if you've used this conditioner, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We love hearing from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.